Now we are going to customize header and footer. So let's ready and be excited. Go to customize, click on header, transparent header, and let's enable this option. And now this white bar is going to be removed and our header is going to be transparent. So as you can see, we are not able to see this menu. So we have to customize its color. So now let's customize. This is normal, and when someone hovers it, then change its color. Yeah, when someone hovers it, it's going to be a bit dark, as you can see. This is background color. If you want, then you can use it, but I don't prefer it. Let's change hover color again. Yeah, it's good. Now let's check how it's look on another pages. This is good. This is decent and it's visible also. This is also visible. It's good. It's visible to all pages. These color are okay and we can use it as a menu. Now guys, here you can change logo, and from here you can use site icon. So from here this picture is going to be changed if you will put site icon over here. Here a lot of options you can play with. Site title, here you can write your website name. Now here you can change its size. Now this is tagline. As you can see, tagline is there, as you can see. So let's change tagline. I have just wrote this. Now as you can see, if you click here, then site title is going to be, that tagline is going to be here, but if we uncheck it, and then it won't be. So it will be removed. Now from here, if we go to transparent header and here go to site title, then you can change its color too. So let's make it this, and when someone hovers it, then its color is going to slightly different. Let's check these colors on other pages. it's good to go. So now let's publish. And guys, here are few other options like border size, bottom colors, and here are different options you can use. Here are option to customize primary menu, so you can use. So I'm going to leave it, and I want to be it as simple as possible. So now I'm going to publish it. So guys, it's published now. Now let's customize footer section. So as you can see, here we have different design. As you can see, this and this text is going to be in middle, so I am leaving it like this. And here we can change texts. So copyright and current year, let it be. And here it's going to be your site title, as you can see from here. And now let's change this powered by Astra WordPress theme. We don't want that. So as you can see, I have changed this text. And what else we can do is we can add another section if we want. As you can see, now here are two sections, but I don't want to use another section, so let's make it none. So this much is enough about customizing footer and header. So let's publish it now. So as you can see, it's customized.